Let's sped up the M3. My name is Mate, welcome to our channel. If you want to see more E36 videos or want to see all kinds of repairs done to this M3, then hit subscribe followed by the notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. Currently I'm preparing to repair my power steering, which means exchanging everything. This means the car will have to go to a mechanic because I do not have a driveway even to be able to lift up the car. However, I do not want the mechanic scratching up the bottom of the car, so I will put on some jack pads which I ordered from eBay to prevent that. We are now under the car looking at the jacking point. Normally you will just go and pop it in. However, if I push it in now, this surface will not sit flush against the body, and I think it's supposed to do that. The dimension of the hole is 13 millimeters. The dimension of the eBay pad is 17 millimeters. That's a difference of 4 millimeters. That's too much. You can see how much the jacking pad is sticking out, so it's for sure not correct that way. If you know what is the correct jacking pad for the 30 millimeter cutout in the unibody, then please leave a comment below. And let's try it out. So that's it, I grinded down all four and now they are under the car. The car is ready to be lifted with a jack. It was a lot more effort than I initially thought. I hope the video was helpful. If you want to see more E36 videos or want to see all kinds of repairs I do to this M3, then hit subscribe followed by the notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. Thanks for watching.